अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। मैं शेख एजाज़ अहमद अब्दुल गनी। इससे पहले एक मैंने नज़्म बनाई थी, उसका उन्वान था कोरोना इंसान एजाज़ की ज़ुबानी। उस नज़्म को मैंने इंग्लिश में ट्रांसलेट करने की कोशिश की है। मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आपको ये पसंद आएगी। समात फरमाइए। Mankind has been locked up inside their mansions. Mankind has been locked up inside their mansions. Never thought of this, then how it has happened. Never thought of this, then how it has happened. Mankind has been locked up inside their mansion. Mankind has been locked up inside their mansion. It seems that Allah has become cross with humans. It seems that Allah has become cross with humans, and they have been eliminated in his prison. And they have been eliminated in his prison. Allah had sent many people to the world. Allah had sent many people to the world. Firaun did not care the Allah. Firaun did not care the Allah and proclaimed himself Allah and proclaimed himself Allah, and Allah had made him drown in river of Nile, and Allah had made him drown is river of Nile. Nowadays the state of humans become like this. Nowadays the state of humans become like this. They become much bigger than humans, everyone. They become much bigger than human, everyone, and did not care of holy book Quran Hadith, and did not care of holy book Quran Hadith, nor the great words parents, nor the great words parents. Share open stupidity, share open stupidity, abusing the mother nature, abusing the mother nature. For all these things, the Allah has become cross with humans. For all these things, Allah has become cross with humans. Such extended of anger, such extended of anger, Allah threw to them to look up their own houses, mansions. Allah threw to them to look up their own houses, mansions. There is humble prayer of Allah. There is humble prayer of Allah. Kindly forgive the sins of mankind. Kindly forgive the sins of mankind and make the world active and beautiful one more. And the may word active and beautiful one more. For the sake of your non-ending kindness, for the sake of your non-kind ending kindness and deep love forgive of us, and deep love forgive us, and make the world active and beautiful once more, and make the world active and beautiful once more. Your mercy, your wish, your mercy, your wish, mankind will lead themselves of your path again. Mankind will lead themselves of your path again. They will did not be care of you. They will not be didn't care of you. They will not be didn't care of you. They will respect and care of yours. They will respect and care of yours creations and the nature. They will respect and care of your creations and the nature. They will be obeyed then given guidelines of your prophet. They will obey then given guidelines of your prophet. Allah will make world active and beautiful once again. Allah will make world active and beautiful once again. Ya Allah, Ya Allah, this Ejaz prayer in front of you. Ya Allah, this Ejaz prayer in front of you. Please make the world active and beautiful once again. Please make the world active and beautiful once again. Kindly accept my prayer. Kindly accept my prayer. Make the world active and beautiful once again. Once again. Amen. 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 Mankind has been locked up inside their mansion. Mankind has been locked up inside their mansion. Never thought of this then how it happened. Never thought of this then how it happened. शुक्रिया, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। अगर ये नज़म मेरी आपको पसंद आई तो इसे शेयर, लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू।